here. So, David, you can kind of explain a little bit about yourself. What law school, college you go to, law school you go to, how you kind of ended up here with Schiller and Hamilton.
Well, I did not take a linear path like a lot of people did in life. Ended up going to Greensboro College, a small little college up in Greensboro, and graduated cum laude there, and ended up going to Charleston School of Law with you.
Yep.
Actually, we were not in the same section, but we started out at the same time.
What section were you in?
Section C.
Okay, I was Section A.
Well, and from the get-go of law school, I wanted to pursue a criminal path. That's always been the path that I was going on. Part of the reason was, going back to that non-linear path, I got in some trouble when I was younger. I know what it means to need a good criminal law attorney, to be in your corner and have your back. Somebody that cares and somebody that understands what you're going through, what you're feeling is important. Because, the attorney that I had to help me out, he didn't care. I was another check to him.
Yeah.
That makes a big difference. I keep that in mind as I handle my criminal cases.
So, after you graduated law school, kind of what happened after that?
Well, you and I actually had been talking about coming down to Beaufort.
Yeah.
It was kind of the diamond in the rough. Nobody from our class was really coming down here. We had talked about it. What did you do to bring yourself down here? I know
I just wanted to move here. I'd learned about the area when I was living in Charleston. For those that don't know, so it's on the intercoastal waterways. You've got Charleston and Savannah and Beaufort's about right in the middle of those two, rather large cities. And, I call Beaufort, it's like a little Charleston light, So,
yeah, absolutely. But yeah, so I wanted to come down here. My wife's family was down here. They've been down here for about 12 years now. So we've been visiting the location, which is also what kind of brought me to the Charleston area. I love history, love Charleston. But it was a bit too populated for us. The traffic was tough in Charleston, and Beaufort presented that Charleston light experience that you were talking about. So we were excited to get down here, and we've been down here for the last, I think since I graduated law school in 2017.
Yeah, about 5 years. That's crazy, huh?
Yeah, time flies, doesn't it?
It does. Did you work anywhere before you came to Schiller Hamilton?
Yes, actually, I clerked at the Charleston County Public Defender's Office. I did that close to a year, I believe, and that was all pro bono. Didn't get paid anything. That was just free service and experience. When I came down here, I actually opened up my own firm to start out. Nobody was hiring. And then I was able to obtain a contract through my law firm to do the public defending work for the town of Hilton Head. They actually ended up closing down their court, and I ultimately was hired by the Beaufort County Public Defender's Office, and I was doing all of their municipal work.
Gotcha. And then, so how long have you been with Schiller Hamilton now at this point?
It's been about 6 months.
Okay.
And loving every minute of it.
Yeah. What's your favorite part about being at Schiller and Hamilton, you think?
The camaraderie.
Yeah.
It's a team effort. Everyone, I really enjoy working around a group of people that not only enjoy what they do, but want to help you out. It's, so much of your experience, it can be cutthroat. It can be very competitive. I like that we're not competitive with one another, that we try to help each other out.
Yeah.
If I got a lead, or if you have somebody that needs some help, you give them to me, vice versa. Yeah. We're all just trying to help each other grow.
Mm-hmm. I think I sent you a potential criminal client yesterday. I think you sent me a potential client today as well, too.
Yep.
So.